Assalamualaikum guys, how are you? I'm here with a snack recipe today. So we are going to make bread pakora. So for bread pakora, here I'm taking medium slices. So I've cut into these small pieces, as you can see. And here I'm taking 5 tablespoons of gram flour, half teaspoon of all-purpose allspice powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, green chilies 4 to 5, 1 medium size of onion sliced, and half bunch of coriander leaves. So let's start making it. Firstly, we will add the turmeric powder. Now we will add the red chili powder, coriander powder, allspice powder, green chilies, onions, coriander leaves, baking soda, a pinch, and half teaspoon of salt. Now we will add some water gradually and mix it. Now we will add half teaspoon of cumin. It's done. It's complete mix now. We are gonna add these slices one by one. Coat it. Hot. Now I'm gonna add these on it. I'm frying here 2 pieces of bread right here at a time. It will take 2 minutes, 1 minute each side. Now we will flip it. It's so crispy and so soft inside. I hope you guys like this recipe. If you like our recipe, so let me know in the comment section below. And what should I make next? Share your suggestions and in the comment section. This is our final look of bread pakora. I hope you guys like watching this video. If you did, hit the like button and
don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.